welcome to today's quickie core workout, which is actually under 5 minutes. We're going to begin rolling down on the mat on our back, finding a neutral spine. So we're going to flatten the spine and then rock back to that balance point. And once again, finding our flat back, we'll take our knees directly over the hips at about a 90-degree angle. We're going to hold this flat spine as we exhale and bring our upper body into the quarter roll-up position. You can take one or both hands behind the head here if you wish, or even drop the head down to relax the neck a little more. And from here, we're going to go right into the single leg stretch with bent knees. Gently taking the fingertips on the shin as we change sides. I'm reaching out to an intermediate angle here. You can make this easier by taking the legs higher, harder by taking the legs lower. Transitioning to straight leg, single leg stretch. Inhale on one side, exhale on the other. You can hold behind the thighs or the calf, whichever works for your flexibility. Pulling the knees in, drop the head down, wiggle it out. Ready for the double leg version with bent knees. Inhaling long, exhaling in. Arms by the ears. Keeping that back flat as we extend. Exhale, pull the knees in. We're going to transition right into the double legs with straight legs after we rock and roll and release the neck here. Remember, you can always keep the head down on any of these exercises if you need to. So flat back, I like to take my thumbs under my tailbone here to help keep that lower back pressed into the mat. Legs are parallel together. Of course, you can do this with your arms extended or even fingertips behind the head again. And pulling in, releasing down, shake out that head. Our last exercise for this quickie workout will be the crisscross. Fingertips lightly behind the head, opposite shoulder towards the knee. Really think of engaging the shoulder off the mat, which will work those obliques and transverse abdominis better than if you reach your elbow towards your knee. Inhaling on one side, exhaling on the other. And then we'll pull it in and relax down. Rock and roll those knees around a little bit. And we'll take a few knee sways, feet on the mat. Let those knees wipe side to side, stretching the lower back. Coming to your side, push yourself up, and there you are.